Hello friends, today I will show you how to make an SMS bomber via Termux. Let's start our video.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You couldn't be with anyone. I couldn't be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're you and me. You're you and me. You could be around, but
Enter here the phone number of the person you are going to send an SMS bomber to. Infinity equals 0. We have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like and sub. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.